Hi, I'm Carmen, Vicelich, the founder and CEO of Valocity, and we're transforming the mortgage and valuation process. The clicker's not working. Sorry. Every single bank in the world has to validate the value of a property before they can lend money on it. And Valocity helps them do this better, faster, and simpler. We solve two growing frictions. The first is increased customer expectations, where customers of today expect a more seamless and relevant experience. We expect things to be fast and easy. At the same time, we've got increased regulatory compliance, bringing increased complexity and friction and the requirement for best practice lending for collateral risk management. We solve these two frictions through our platform. We connect the entire ecosystem of lenders, brokers, valuers, and consumers, each with their own customized user journey, encouraging the participation with data flowing seamlessly to transform the entire end-to-end process. Valocity uniquely combines three key things. The first is bank cloud-based technology that's modular, configurable, and entirely customizable, allowing the lender to plug and play however they wish. We then combine advanced analytics using machine learning to do automated valuation models, allowing the lender to instantly validate the value of a property where possible. And we do data-driven decision-making, capturing data throughout the process, allowing the lender to look at funnel optimization, SLAs, collateral risk, and performance to continually optimize and make the process faster, better, while doing best practice risk management. Valocity launched in New Zealand just over 5 years ago, where today we connect the most brokers, lenders, valuers, and consumers all through our platform. We're live in Australia, where we work with innovative lenders like ING and others in Singapore, and very recently launched in India, where in November we won Global Fintech Startup of the Year and a ticket to come on this stage today. So we've grown very, very quickly, and that's testimony to the game-changing value that Valocity delivers. Before Valocity, valuations are very much a manual process, sharing data and not through a secure portal, and capturing PDFs and not leveraging digital information. Valocity transforms that process, onboarding valuers digitally, using digitizing credit policy of when will you say yes, when will you say no through our modules. Random allocation to valuers prevents collusion, and importantly, we capture data throughout the process to allow end-to-end benchmarking and workflow to understand where is the valuation and how quickly can we do it. Our innovation is defined very importantly by our technology, in that we overcome legacy technology and allow the lenders to plug and play however they wish, integrating with your lending engine, customizing B2B, APIs, micro services or web services, however they want. Everything we build is device agnostic and with individual user journeys for the entire ecosystem. Lending is a big deal, and real estate is one of the largest asset classes, yet it's staggering how many markets banks don't actually know where the properties that they're lending on are. And so it's a very, very complex problem that we're solving. We recognise that actually to innovate and truly digitise and transform this process, we needed to innovate not just the lenders that we work with, but the entire ecosystem. So we created a valuation app called Connect, where in markets like India, the lender, there is no address. They actually use geospatial to tag an address, and that goes straight through to the valuer's app. We can see where the valuer is, so we can do an Uber val and allocate it to the valuer, and then the valuer, when they arrive at the property, can geotag that property, timestamp that he actually went there, and for the first time ever in markets where there is no addressing, we can actually capture and validate the situation of risk. We've preloaded 40 bank templates onto the app, and we have a template builder, so they can drag and drop information that they want to capture. They can do it by voice, they can sign and click to share, and that all comes back seamlessly and digitally straight back to the lender for a faster speeding process and game-changing data capture. We recognise that doing good is good business, and in markets like India, where there is no credit data or very little for the unbanked, validating the collateral risk for the lender enables them to say yes. In other markets like New Zealand or Australia, where it's more advanced, we can capture new data such as, is this solar, is this gas, is this a sustainable house? And we're working with green housing to actually define what does that look like to change the world and make it a better place. Our business model is either price per click, we have an annual license fee, or we do an enterprise where lenders will use multiple modules from the decisioning engine of when will they say yes, when will they say no, to the suite of valuations through the data capture and the analytics. Every single lender that we've signed up has grown their business with us year on year. We have zero churn, and we bootstrapped the business from start and with break even up until last year, bringing on our first external director to enable us to accelerate our global growth and innovation. So we're very excited. We're excited to be here, and we recognise that the future is ours to create. So come and see us tomorrow upstairs at our booth. Thank you.